If you are one of those who thinks drawing anime eyes is hard, or you want to learn how to draw beautiful anime eyes, you are in the right place. In this video, I am gonna teach you how to draw an anime eye. By the end of the video, you will not just learn how to draw an anime eye, but also learn the features of an actual eye, and you will be able to stylize them and make your own anime eyes. So stick till the end. Grab your drawing tools and let's create. The way this tutorial is structured is in 3 parts. How to draw an eye, general features. Second one, how to draw anime eyes. And in the third chapter, I will draw a famous anime character eyes using the points we have learned. Before we start learning how to draw an eye, first let's learn how not to draw an eye. I mean, mistakes a beginner makes. Here is an eye. Go ahead and try drawing it yourself now. Pause this video and try drawing it. Okay, I hope you did what I said. Now, what most beginners make mistake is they approach to the drawing by tracing the eye and add iris and then pupil. After that, adding too many details into eyelashes. This is not how you should draw an eye. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to draw an eye. Draw a circle. This is your eyeball. By your eyeball, I mean that character's eyeball, not your eyeball. Okay, bad job. You can see in the picture, the white area is the eyeball. Step 2. Observe this picture. There are 3 breaks in the structure of the eyelids. 1, 2, and 3. By dividing the eyelid into 3 breaks, you can draw it easily. Follow the same step and find the breaks in the lower lashes. There are 2 breaks in the lower eyelash. It's good to draw breaks as lines. It helps in measuring while drawing the other eye.
Oh, ay, 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 ay. 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 Oh, ay, 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 ay.
Now, draw the iris. Don't draw the iris perfectly in the middle because then it would look like a surprised eye. Instead, draw 1/3 of a circle. Then add pupil. And eyelashes. When you're drawing eyelashes, don't draw every single eyelash strand. Instead, just suggest the eyebrow by Just suggest the eyelash by giving some volume to it. Don't bother about the details. This is how you draw an eye. Now, let us draw anime eyes. When it comes to drawing anime eyes, your imagination is the limit. Because anime eyes sometimes can be simple and sometimes they go crazy and even put a sky into just an eye. So with the steps we have learned, we will exaggerate and stylize the eyes. Let's start an eye by drawing 3. It's your wish if you want to join upper and lower lashes. Now draw the iris. 1/3 circle. I will add a pupil to make it more interesting. You can suggest some. Give thickness to the eyelash. To make it more interesting, you can suggest some lines to show wrinkles up on the ears. Remember, the way you draw eyelashes differentiates if it's a boy or girl character. By that, I mean a girl has more eyelashes, thickness, and a boy has thin lashes. That's it. Now you know how to draw anime eyes. Now I will give you an exercise because just watching the video will not benefit you. So practice what you have learned. What you have learned. Draw your favorite character's eyes by keeping the points we have learned in mind. Now, I will time-lapse the process of how I drew a famous character's eyes and you have to guess it. Great job! You have come this far of the video. Thank you so much. It means you seriously want to improve your art skills. If you want to follow my art journey, subscribe and let's keep creating together.
Oh, I